New design, automatic changing size, aluminum gutter end cap production line. Looking to manufacture high-performance gutter protection that keeps rainwater flowing while blocking leaves, debris, and tree limbs? Discover how the aluminum gutter cover roll forming machine transforms aluminum plate into K-style gutter cover plate, preventing clogs, boosting water flow. The baffle plates created by this system serve a critical role. They act as filters, allowing water to pass through dense perforations while blocking debris. This prevents costly gutter blockages and downspout backups. This video demonstrates the machine in action and explores its advanced technical features and key advantages. This machine is designed for 5 and 6K style gutter profiles and processes aluminum, PPGL or GL sheets with a thickness of 0.40.5 millimeter. The 55-ton high-speed punching system ensures water filtration holes are cleanly and consistently punched at speeds up to 30 meters per minute, helping manufacturers meet high-volume production targets. Key components include a Delta PLC control system with touchscreen interface, allowing operators to adjust cutting length and batch quantity with 1 millimeter accuracy. The 17 precision roller stations, made of chromed 45 steel, ensure consistent profile shaping. The hydraulic decoiler with leveling guarantees smooth material feeding. Servo cutting system operates without halting the forming line, increasing output efficiency while preserving material, no deformation. With its robust steel frame, carbon bearings, and chain-driven transmission, the system is built for long-term industrial use. Thanks to the multi-size adjustability, this can reduce setup time and saving on tooling costs. Whether you're a manufacturer looking to expand your product offerings or a contractor seeking reliable supply, this machine offers you a solution to produce premium gutter covers. Interested? Contact us today to learn more.